ICE detains man with pending green card application after car crash. A Nigerian-born man, Oladipo Oyeneyin, who has lived in the United States for more than 15 years, is facing detention by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement following his arrest after a car accident. His case has drawn attention because his green card application is still pending and he has deep ties to the U.S. The incident has now become the subject of an online fundraiser seeking support for his legal and living expenses. Context of the detention. Oyeneyin's detention is unfolding against the backdrop of an aggressive immigration enforcement campaign under the Trump administration. The White House has previously pledged the largest mass deportation operation in U.S. history. Immigration authorities have targeted individuals across multiple legal statuses ranging from undocumented residents to legal visa holders and even permanent residents with criminal records. Deportations have primarily been directed toward individuals' home countries, although some have been sent to third nations under special U.S. agreements. The administration has also promoted the idea of voluntary self-deportation for those lacking proper documentation. Arrest circumstances and charges. According to the GoFundMe campaign established in his name, Oyeneyin was recently involved in a car crash in which he was reportedly not at fault. Nonetheless, he was arrested and charged with hit and run and evading arrest. The fundraiser further states that after his arrest, ICE became involved due to his immigration status. He is now being held at the Montgomery Processing Center in Conroe, Texas, an ICE facility with a capacity for around 1,300 detainees, operated by the private prison company Geo Group. Longstanding residency and pending immigration case. The fundraiser details that Oyeneyin has been a resident of the United States for over 15 years and has had his green card application pending for several years. His next immigration court date is set for January 2027. Financial hardship reportedly delayed progress on his case, as losing his job meant he could no longer afford his previous immigration attorney. These setbacks prevented him from completing essential legal steps he had hoped to finish before his hearing. Previous legal encounters. Court records reviewed by Newsweek indicate that Oyeneyin has faced prior criminal charges in Texas. In 2018, he was charged with assaulting a family member in Houston, a misdemeanor Class A offense, for which he was placed on probation in 2022. Another record from 2019 shows he was arrested for driving while intoxicated by the Harris County Sheriff's Office. These past incidents may complicate his current immigration case, given ICE's focus on individuals with criminal histories. Voices in his defense. The GoFundMe organizer, Ikenna Eziju, described Oyeneyin as a kind, hard-working person who simply wants the chance to clear his name, continue his life here, and contribute to the country he's called home for most of his adult life. Meanwhile, Department of Homeland Security spokesperson Tricia McLaughlin stated that the administration remains committed to targeting criminal illegal aliens as part of what they describe as the largest deportation operation of criminal aliens in American history. Looking ahead, Oyeneyin's legal and immigration future now depends on upcoming court proceedings, with the next major date not until 2027. The video underscores how pending green card applications can still leave long-term residents vulnerable to detention and deportation under current enforcement priorities. Meanwhile, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services reports 11.3 million pending applications across all immigration categories, highlighting systemic delays that can leave applicants in legal limbo for years. As Oyeneyin remains in IC custody awaiting his 2027 court date, his supporters continue to rally for his release and a fair chance to resolve his immigration status. His situation underscores the vulnerability of long-term residents caught in the intersection of legal delays and aggressive enforcement policies. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
ICE detains man with a pending green card application after car crash. Oladipo Oyeneyin, a Nigerian-born man living in the US for over 15 years with a pending green card application, was detained by ICE after being arrested following a car crash, despite reportedly not being at fault. As detention occurs and the Trump administration intensified deportation efforts targeting both undocumented and legally present immigrants with a criminal record. Oyeneyin faces prior charges including assault and DWI, which may affect his case. Financial struggles delayed his immigration process, with his next court date set for January 2027. Supporters describe him as a hardworking, while DHS defends the breakdown as a part of a major deportation campaign.